adjoint P is equal to 12 power 4, then find P inverse mod of P inverse adjoint P. So here first I want to find the adjoint P. Okay, to find the I want to find the mod of adjoint P. To find the mod of adjoint P, I will use one result. A into adjoint A into adjoint J is equal to A into mod adjoint A is equal to, so here K is a scalar, then mod of Ka is equal to K power n into det A. Here n is the order of the matrix. So here this is a 3 by 3 matrix. So the order is 3. So here you will get mod A cube into det A is 1. So mod A cube. Mod of adjoint A is equal to mod A square. Similarly, we can find the value of det of adjoint A using the same result. Okay, here A into adjoint A is equal to det A into I. There I will replace A with adjoint A, then I will apply det on both sides. Okay, then det of adjoint A, it will be equal to det of A whole power 4. Similarly, det of adjoint A, it is equal to det A whole power 8. So here det of adjoint P is equal to 12 power 4. So det of P whole power 8, it is equal to 12 power 4, right? So det of P, it is equal to 12 power 4 by 8, which is equal to half. So det P is equal to root 12, which is equal to 2 root 3. Here they're asking the det of P inverse into adjoint P. So it is equal to det of P inverse into det of adjoint P. So det of P inverse is 1 by det P. 1 by det P. Adjoint P is a det of P whole square. So here this value is equal to det P. Det P already we found out. It is 2 root 3. So det P is equal to 2 root 3. So sorry, det of inverse adjoint P, it is equal to 2 root 3. So option A is correct. Next one, f of x is equal to 2 power 2x. So I can write it as 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2. And here they are asking the sigma r is equal to 1 to 2022 f of r by 2023. So here we can prove that f of x plus f of 1 minus x, it is equal to 1. F of 1 minus x, it is equal to 4 power 1 minus x by 4 power 1 minus x plus 2. So here I can write it as 4 by 4 power x by 4 by 4 power x plus 2. So this is equal to 4 by 4 plus 2 into 4 power x. I can take out here plus f of 2 by 2023 plus so on up to f of 2022 by 2023 value they are asking. So here already we proved that f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1. So f of 1 by 2023 plus f of 2022 by 2023 is equal to 1. Similarly, f of 2 by 2023 plus f of 2021 by 2023, it is equal to 1. So let us check how many ones we will get. So f of 1 by 2023 plus f of 2 by, I will write here f of 2022 by 2023 plus f of 2 by 2023 plus f of 2021 by 2023 so on up to f of 1011 by 1023 plus f of 1012 by 1023. Sorry, 2023 and here also 2023. So how many ones we are getting? Here we are getting 1, here we are getting 1, here till here we are getting 1. So we have 10111. So its value is equal to 1011. So the option C is correct. It's a question on differential equation. Dy by dx is equal to 3y square minus x square by 3xy, and y of 1 is equal to 1. They're asking 6 into y square e. So here I want to solve the differential equation. 3xy dy is equal to 3y square minus x square into dx. So 3y into x dy minus y dx is equal to minus x square into dx. Now 3y, here we have x dy minus y dx. So I will write x dy minus y dx by x square I will write, and here also I will write y by x. So here we are multiplying with a 1 by x cube on the left hand side. So on the right hand side also I have to multiply with a 1 by x cube. Now here this is 3 into y by x, and this is d of y by x is equal to minus a dx by x. So the value of the left hand side, it is equal to 3 into y by x whole square by 2. Integration of f of x into f dash x is equal to f square x by 2. So here I'm integrating both sides. So I'm getting 3 by 2 into y by x whole square is equal to minus ln x plus c. Now I want to find the integrating constant. Y of 1 is equal to 1. So 3 by 2 into 1 is equal to 0 plus c. So the value of c, integration constant, is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into y by x whole square is equal to minus ln x plus 3 by 2. Now they're asking y square e. Okay, y square e they are asking. So in place of x, I have to substitute e. 3 by 2 into y of e by e whole square is equal to minus ln e is minus 1 plus 3 by 2, so which is equal to half. So y of e whole square, it is equal to 1 by 3. 2 here, 2 here, they get cancelled out. They're asking 6 into y of e whole square. So 6 into e is correct. Okay, the answer is 2 into e square. Next question. It's a question on PNC. Find number of numbers greater than 7,000 which can be formed by using the digits 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here the repetition of digits, it's not allowed. So numbers greater than 7,000 means, so first I want to find all the 4-digit numbers which are starting with 7. So here we have 3 digits. This digit, it can be filled with any 4 of the digits remaining, 3, 5, 6, 8. So here we have 4 chances. Next digit, okay, this can be filled with the remaining 3 numbers because here repetition is not allowed. Once we are using 5 means in the next digit we can't use 5. 4, 3 into 2. Okay, last digit can be filled in 2 ways. So here how many numbers we are getting? 24. Next, I will find all the 4-digit numbers which are starting with 8. Okay, I will follow the similar procedure. This digit can be filled with any one of the 4 digits available, which are 6, 4 into next digit. It can be filled with the remaining any one of the 3 digits. So 4 into 3 into 2. So again we are getting 24. Now even here, even we can find 5 digits also. All the 5 how many first it can be with any one of the 5 available digits. So 5, next 4, next 3, next 2, next 1. So it is equal to 120. So the total number of numbers we are getting is 24 plus 24 plus 120, which is equal to 168. Option B is correct. Next one, this is a question on definite integrals. Integral of 3 root 3 by 4 to 3 root 3 by 4 48 by root of 9 minus 4x square. So here 3 root 2 by 4, 3 root 3 by 4, upper limit 48. And here in the denominator, okay, root of 9 minus 4x square, there I will take out 4 common. So you will get 2 root 9 by 4 minus x square dx. So here we are getting this form 1 by integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. Okay, and the formula for this is sine inverse x by a. So here 24 into sine inverse x by a, x by 3 by 2. And here the limits are 3 root 3 by 4 and 3 root 2 by 4. So this is equal to 24 into sine inverse 2 into sine inverse 2 into in place of x you substitute 3 root 3 by 4. So what we are getting, sine inverse root 3 by 2 minus sine inverse, in place of x you substitute 3 root 2 by 4. So we are getting sine inverse 1 by root 2. So this is equal to 24 into pi by 3 minus pi by 4. So 24 into pi by 12, so which is equal to 2 pi. So the answer is 2 pi. Next, sixth question. This is a question on system of equations. If the system of equations x plus 2y is equal to 6, x minus 3y plus 72 z is equal to 0, x plus y plus lambda z is equal to mu plus 9 has infinite solutions, then ordered pair lambda comma mu. So if the system of equation, non-homogeneous system of equation has infinite solutions means x plus 2y is equal to 6. So here first I will find det value, det of 1, 2, 0. Okay, that is equal to 1, 2, 0, 1 minus 3, 72, 1, 1 lambda. The det of this must be equal to 0, right? So here 1 into minus 3 lambda minus 72 minus 2 into lambda minus 72. So here this is equal to minus 3 lambda minus 5 lambda plus 72 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 72 by 5. So when lambda is equal to 72 by 5, and also here if you use Cramer's rule, okay, to get infinite solutions, delta should be equal to 0, even delta x, delta y, delta z all should be equal to 0. So here I will find the value of delta x. Delta x means here I have to replace this first column 1 1 1 with 6 0 and mu plus 9. So delta x will be equal to 6 0 mu plus 9 2 minus 3 1 0 72 lambda. I'll find the delta of this, it should be equal to 0. So here 6 into minus 3 lambda minus 72 minus 2 into 3 into mu plus 9, it must be equal to 0. So here lambda value we know that it is equal to 72 by 5. So minus 3 lambda minus 72 minus mu minus 9 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 72 by 5 minus 3 into 72 by 5 minus 72 minus 9 is equal to mu. So minus 3 by 5 minus 1 means I'm taking out 72 common. So we are getting minus 3 by 5 minus 1, which is equal to minus 8 by 5 minus 9 is equal to mu. So let me check the answer. 6 is 0 mu plus 9. Second column is 2 minus 3 1 0 72 lambda. So 6 into minus 3 lambda minus 72 minus 2 into actually here I made a mistake, minus minus 2 into 2 into 0 into lambda minus of 72 into mu plus 9 is equal to 0. So here minus 6 I can take out common. So minus 3 lambda minus 72 plus, if you are taking 6 common means 6 into 12, 12 is 24, 24 into mu plus 9, it must be equal to 0. So minus 3 lambda plus 24, minus 3 lambda means minus 3 into 72 by 5 minus 72 plus 24 mu plus 24 into 9. 24 into 9 means 72 into 3. 72 into 3. Okay. 72 into 3 is equal to 0. 24 mu minus 24 mu is equal to 3 by 5. So here what is the answer we are getting? I can take out 72 common minus 2. So 24 3 is 72. So I'm getting mu value as minus 21 by 5. So lambda value, you already we found out it is 72 by 5 and mu value is minus 21 by 5. So the option A is correct. Next one, seventh one, is a question on logical reasoning. Negation of P and P implies a negation Q. Okay, it's a logically equivalent statement we have to find out. So P implies Q, its logically equivalent statement is negation P or Q. So negation of P and P implies negation Q means it is a negation P or negation Q. Okay, here I'm using this. P implies Q means its logically equivalent is a negation P or Q. So this is equal to negation of P and negation P or P and negation Q. So P and negation Q means you won't get anything. Negation of P and negation Q. So this is equal to negation P or Q. Negation P or Q means it's logically equivalent. Already we discussed it is P implies Q. So the logically equivalent of this is P implies Q. The sum of the coefficients of first three terms in the expansion of x minus 3 by x square whole power n is 376. Then find the coefficient of x power 4. So sum of the coefficients of first three terms. So it is equal to NC0 minus NC1 into 3 plus NC2 into 9, 3 square is equal to 376. Right? So 1 minus 3n plus 9n into n minus 1 by 2, it is equal to 376. So here I want to simplify 2 minus 6n plus 9n square minus 9n is equal to 376 into 2, which is equal to 752. So we are getting 9n square minus 15n minus 750 is equal to 0. So I can take out 3 common. 3n square minus 5n minus 250 is equal to 0. 3n square minus 30n plus 25n minus 250 is equal to 0. So 3n into n minus 10 plus 25 into n minus 10 is equal to 0. That implies here the value of n, it is equal to 10. Now they're asking us to find the coefficient of x power 4. Coefficient of x power 4 means general term tr plus 1. It is equal to 10 cr into x power 10 minus r into minus 3 by x square whole power r. So x power, here the coefficient of power of x, it is x power 10 minus 3r. Okay, now 10 minus 3r must be equal to 4. I want to find the coefficient of x power 4. So 3r is equal to 6. That implies r value it is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. So r is equal to 2 means now I want to find the coefficient of x power 4. So it will be equal to 10c2 into minus 3 whole square. So 10c2 means it is equal to 45 into 9, which is equal to 405. So here the answer is C. Next one, limit x tends to a, step of x minus 5 minus a step of 2x plus 2, it is equal to 0. So limit x tends to a, and then a belongs to. So step of x minus 5 is equal to step of 2x plus 2, step of 2x plus 2, and here step of x minus 5 is equal to step of 2x plus 2. So step of x minus step of 2x, it is equal to 7. All right. So here we'll get two cases. One is x is equal to 7. Okay, not x is equal to 7. Here suppose x can be integer. Suppose x is an integer. Case 1. If x is an integer, then here the value of step of x, it is equal to x minus 2x is equal to 7. So minus x is equal to 7, x is equal to minus 7. So here we can take x is equal to minus 7. Next one. So they're asking the x tends to a, step of x minus equal to this, x is equal to minus 7. Next one, when x is not an integer, x is not an integer. Not an integer means here in this case again we will get two cases. That is, suppose x is equal to I plus f. I represents the integral part, f represents the fractional part. So f, suppose f lies between 0 to half, or f is greater than half, but it can't exceed 1, right? So I can write f lies between 0 to 1. So when x lies between 0 to half, step of x minus step of 2x, it is equal to 7. So step of x means I plus f minus 2i plus 2f, it is equal to 7. So step of I plus f means it is equal to I, and here 2f means 2f of f lies between 0 to half means 2f lies between 0 to 1. So here we will get a 2i is equal to 7. So I is equal to minus 7, and f lies between 0 to half. So here a value, okay, its range is minus 6.5, sorry, minus 7.5, minus 7.5 to minus 6.5. Suppose f lies between half to 1, then we'll get step of I plus f I 2f equal to 7. Now 2f, it is greater than 1, less than 2. So here, sorry, here I plus f is I, and here 2f, it exceeds 1, but it is less than 2. So here the value of this is 2i plus 1 is equal to 7. So minus I minus 1 is equal to 7. So I is equal to minus 8. And here f lies between half to 1. So what is the range of this minus 8 means? Here the range of this is minus 8 means minus 7.5, minus 8 means minus 7.5 to minus 7, minus 7.5 to minus 7, and here I is equal, in the first case, I is equal to minus 7 and f lies between 0 to half, right? So here A range is minus 7 to minus 6.5, right? So here the total range is minus 7.5 to minus 6.5 we are getting. A belongs to this. So the answer is minus 7.5 means minus 15 by 2 to minus 13 by 2. So option A is correct. 10th one. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube is given in the numerator. In the denominator, we have 1 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 7 up to 9 times. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube we have to find. So to find the sum, we have a formula. It is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, and 1 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 7 up to n terms we have to find. So here first I want to find the general term. General term is sigma r into 2r plus 1, and here total n terms, right? R is equal to 1 to n. So this is equal to 2 into sigma r plus sigma r. Here r is equal to 1 to n. So 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. So I'll substitute these values. N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 divided by 2n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. So we can take out n into n plus 1 by 2 common. So n into n plus 1 by 4 by 2n 2n plus 1 by 3 2 3 6 plus half. Okay, I'm taking out n into n plus 1. So this is equal to n into n plus 1 by 4, and in the denominator we will get 2 3 6. So 4n plus 2 plus 5. So 4n plus 5 by 6 n into n plus 1 by 4. Now this sum is given as 9 by 5. Sum is given as a 9 by 5. So 3 by 2 into n plus 1 by 4n plus 5 is equal to 9 by 5. So 3 3 is 9. So 5n square plus 5n is equal to 12n plus 15. So here 5n square minus 4n into 3, 12. 9 into 3, 3 is 9. So let me check the answer. So here we are getting 3 by 2, 3, 3 is 9, 4n plus 6. So 5n square minus 5n square. So what is the answer given here? 6, 9 by 5. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 4, 24n plus 6 into 5, which is equal to 30. So 5n square minus 19n minus 30 is equal to 0. So when we factorize this, we will get 5n plus 6 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. That implies n is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5 is the answer. Next one. It's a question on complex numbers. So 1 plus cos 2 pi by 9 plus I sin 2 pi by 9. 1 plus cos 2 pi by 9 plus I sin 2 pi by 9. So here 1 plus cos 2 pi by 9 means 2 cos square pi by 9 plus 2I sin 2 pi by 9 sin pi by 9 sin pi by 9 into cos pi by 9. Now I will take out 2 cos pi by 9. So 2 cos pi by 9 means it is equal to cos pi by 9 plus I sin pi by 9. Similarly, 1 plus cos 2 pi by 9 minus I sin 2 pi by 9. It is equal to 2 cos pi by 9 into cos pi by 9 minus I sin pi by 9. Okay. And they're asking 1 plus cos 2 pi by 9 plus I sin 2 pi by 9 by 1 plus cos 2 pi by 9 minus I sin 2 pi by 9. So this is equation 1, equation 2 means 1 divided by 2. So what we are getting, cos pi by 9 plus I sin pi by 9. This 2 cos pi by 9 and 2 cos pi by 9 gets cancelled out by cos pi by 9 minus I sin pi by 9. So this is equal to e power I pi by 9 by e power minus I pi by 9, which is equal to e power I 2 pi by 9, and also we have whole cube here. So e power I 2 pi by 9 whole cube, which is equal to e power I by 3. E power I 3 means cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3 value, it is equal to minus half plus I root 3 by 2. So the correct answer is A, minus half plus I root 3 by 2. Next one, f of x is equal to x cube plus x square into f dash 1 plus x into f double dash 2 minus f triple dash 3. So here then the relation between f dash 1, f double dash 2 and f triple dash 3. So f of x is equal to, given that f of x is equal to x cube plus x square into f of f dash 1 plus x into f double dash 2 minus f triple dash 3. Okay, so they're asking f dash 1, f double dash 2, f triple dash 2, f triple dash 3. So first I will differentiate this. F dash x, it is equal to 3x square plus 2x into f dash 1 plus f double dash 2. Then here I can substitute 1. F dash 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into f dash 1 plus f double dash 2. So here what we are getting, f 3 plus f dash 1 plus f double dash 2, it is equal to 0. Again I will differentiate this equation. F double dash x, it is equal to 6x plus 2 into f dash 1. They're asking f double dash 2. So I will put x is equal to 2. So f double dash 2 is equal to 12 plus 2 into f dash 1. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, here we have two equations and two variables, which are f dash 1 and f double dash 2. Now I will solve them. So f double dash 2, it is equal to minus 3 minus f dash 1 is equal to 12 plus 2 f dash 1. I'm solving equation 1 and equation 2. So it is equal to 3 f dash 1. It is equal to minus 15, which implies f dash 1 is equal to minus 5, and f double dash 2, it is equal to 12 plus 2 into minus 5, which is equal to 2. Now I want to find f triple dash. Okay, I'm differentiating this equation. F triple dash x, it is equal to 6. So f triple dash 3 value, f triple dash 3 or f triple dash 2, all these values remain same because it is independent of x. So f triple dash 3, it is equal to 6. Now they're asking the relation between f dash 1, f double dash 2, f triple dash 3. I'll find f of 0 also. F of 0, it is equal to minus f triple dash 3, which is equal to minus 6. So f of 0 is equal to minus 6, and f triple dash 3 is equal to 6, and f double dash 2 is equal to 2, f dash 1 is equal to minus 5. Now you substitute these values in the options. First one, f of 0, what they have given, f of 0 is equal to f dash 1 plus 3 into f double dash 2 plus f triple dash 3. F dash 0 is minus 6, f dash 1, its value is equal to minus 5 plus 3 into f double dash 2, 2 plus here we have 6. So what is the answer we are getting? Minus 6 is equal to f of 0 is equal to minus 6, f double dash 2 it is equal to 2. So option A, it is not satisfying. Option A is not satisfying. I think option C will satisfy. F of 0 is equal to 2f dash 1 minus f double dash 2 plus f triple dash 3. So f of 0 minus 6 into 2 into minus 5. Minus of minus 2 means plus 2. And f triple dash 3 means it is a minus 6. So here we are getting minus 6 is equal to f triple dash 3. F triple dash 3, its value is equal to 6, right? Plus 6 we have. So 8. And here we have 2 into minus 5, which is equal to minus 10. F double dash 2, it is equal to 2, right? So here you will get minus 2. So minus 10 minus 10 minus 2 plus 6, which is equal to minus 6. So both are equal. So option C, it is correct. F of 0 is equal to 2 into f dash 1 minus f double dash 2 plus f triple dash 3. Next one, consider f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. F of 1 is equal to 3. Sigma k is equal to 1 to n f of k. So here I will put f of x. First functional equation is f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. Now I will put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So f of 2 is equal to f of 2 into f of 1. Not 2. Here I made a mistake. F of, I am putting x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So f of 2 is equal to f of 1 into f of 1, which is equal to 3 square. Now I want to find f of 3. F of 3 means it is equal to f of 2 plus 1. So f of 2 into f of 1. So 3 square into 3, which is equal to 3 cube. Similarly, if we find f of 4, it will be equal to 3 power 4. So on. So we can tell that f of x will be equal to 3 power x. And they're asking the sigma k is equal to 1 to n f of k. That means f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 up to f of 1. That means 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 cube up to 3 power n. Its value is equal to 3279 and we have to find the value of n. So here we can use the formula sum of n terms of a GP. A into, what is the formula? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. A is the first term, r is the common ratio, n is the number of terms. A is first term 3, common ratio is 3, 3 power n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3279. So here 3 ones 3, 2 0 3 0, next 1093, 3 power n minus 1, 1093 into 2, 6 8 1 2 2286. So it is equal to 102286 and 3 power n, it is equal to 2287. So I think 729 into 3, it is equal to 2287. So the value of n, 3 power 4 is 81, 3 power 5 is 243, 3 power 6 is 729, 3 power 7 is 2287. So here the value of n is 7. Here there is a first row. The first row we have 5 elements. Now 1, it can take any one of the 5 places. So we have 5 ways. Suppose 1 is here. Now if we consider the second row, here we have 5 places. Okay. 1 cannot come here right below the previous one. Here 1 cannot come. So 1 can take either this place, this place, this place, this place. So we have 4 choices. Similarly, for the next one, the third row. Okay, it has how many choices? Suppose here I'm taking 1. Now here and here 1 can't come. So 1 should come either here, here or here. So it has three choices. So 5 into 4 into 3, similarly 2 into 1. Product is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, so which is equal to 120. So now here you can check that. Okay, you can check that. Suppose I'm taking one case like this. Here, if you consider any row or any column, okay, there is only one. Next one, consider a triangle formed by the lines AC is equal to x minus y is AC x minus y is equal to 3, AB x plus 2y is equal to 0, BC x plus by is equal to 21a. If centroid is 2 comma a, find the length BC square. So here we have the triangle ABC. A is 2 comma minus 1. Here equation of a line AB, okay, AB is x plus 2 y is equal to 0, and equation of line AC is x minus y is equal to 3. Equation of BC is x plus p by is equal to 21a. And here the centroid is 2 comma a. Now I can write b as minus 2 beta comma beta, because b lies on the line x plus 2 y is equal to 0, and writing the coordinates in one variable. Similarly, c is equal to alpha comma alpha minus 3. Now here the centroid, I'll find the centroid, x coordinate of the centroid 2 plus alpha minus 2 beta by 3 is equal to 2. So alpha minus 2 beta is equal to 4. Next, similarly y coordinate, which is minus 1 plus alpha minus 3 plus beta by 3 is equal to a. So it is minus 4 plus alpha plus beta is equal to 3a. So here we have two equations. Alpha plus beta is equal to 3a plus 4, and alpha minus 2 beta is equal to 4. Now I will subtract these two equations. You will get beta b minus 2 beta minus 3 beta is equal to minus 3a. So beta is equal to a, and alpha is equal to 4 plus 2 beta. So it is equal to 4 plus 2a. Now this minus 2 beta comma beta lies on the line x plus py is equal to 21a. So I can write I will substitute the point B, the equation of the line BC. Minus 2 beta plus p into beta is equal to 21a. So minus 2a plus pa is equal to 21a. So here either a is equal to 0 or p is equal to 23. Okay, we are getting two cases. Either a is equal to 0 or p is equal to 23. Similarly, I will substitute a point C in the equation of the line BC. So alpha plus p into alpha minus 3 is equal to 21a. So 4 plus alpha, already we found out the value, 4 plus 2a plus p into alpha is equal to 4 plus 2a, 4 plus 2a minus 3. So it is equal to 2a plus 1 is equal to 21a. So 4 plus 2a plus, suppose p is equal to 23. I'm taking 23 into 2a plus 1 is equal to 21a. So 48a plus 27 is equal to 21a. So 27a is equal to minus 27. So we are getting the value as a is minus 1. So but a cannot be equal to minus 1. This here the centroid is 2 comma and a is comma minus. A and g cannot, they can't coincide. So here a can't be equal. So here a can't be equal to minus 1. So p can't be equal to 23, because when we are taking p is equal to 23, we are getting this value a is equal to minus 1. So we won't get the value of p as 23. So a must be equal to 0. A is equal to 0. When a is equal to 0, I will find the values of b and c. Okay, values of b and c. A is equal to 0, alpha point b. B is equal to minus 2 beta comma beta. A is alpha comma alpha minus 3. So alpha is equal to b to a and alpha is plus a is equal to 0 to 0 comma 0 and a will be equal. Here they're asking a b. Actually this value is c, not a. They're asking the length of the side BC. So BC is equal to root 70. Length of the side BC square, it is equal to 70. So first what I did is I found the coordinates of B in terms of one variable, even coordinates of C in terms of one variable, and here the centroid is given as 2 comma a. So first I'm finding the x coordinate 2 plus minus 2 plus alpha minus 2 beta by 3 is equal to 2. Similarly, y coordinate minus 1 plus beta plus alpha minus 3 is equal to a. Next one, relation R on the set P is equal to ABCD is given by R is equal to relation AB, BC, BD. Here, find the minimum number of order pairs to be added in relation R so that it is an equivalence relation. So it must be an equivalence relation. So first we have to make sure that the relation is reflexive. Reflexive means compulsorily we should get A comma A, B comma B, C comma C, D comma D. Right? We have to add these ordered pairs. Okay. In order to make this as a reflexive A comma A, so I'm adding 4 ordered pairs. Next, here we have A comma B, B comma C, B comma D. So I want to make this as symmetric also. So I have to add BA, CB, DB. Okay. In order to make it symmetric. Next one, here we have BA, CB, DB. So we have CB and BA means I have to write CA also. Okay. To make it transitive. DB and BA means I have to add D comma A also to make it transitive. CA, DA. But again, it must be symmetric. So CA, DA we are adding means we have to write A comma C and A comma D also. Right? A comma C, A comma D. So here I'm making this symmetric. So here AC, A comma D, but again I have to make it as C comma A, D comma A. So I'm making this as symmetric. So A comma C, A comma D. Again I have to make this as transitive also. So what are the elements I have to add? D comma A and A comma C means I have to add D comma C comma A and A comma D means I have to add C comma D. Now it is a reflexive, it is a reflexive relation, it is a symmetric relation, it is a transitive relation also. So how many ordered pairs I added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 ordered pairs I added, okay, to make it as an equivalence relation. So here the answer is 13. So first I'm making this as B comma B, C comma C comma D. Then I'm making this as symmetric. So here we have A comma B, B comma C, B comma D. So I have to add B comma A, C comma B, D comma B. Again, I want to make this as transitive. So here we have B comma A, C comma B, D comma B means C comma B, B comma A. So I should have C comma A, D comma B, I have B comma A. So I have to add D comma A also to make it transitive. C comma A, D comma A we have. So I want to make this as symmetric. So I have to write A comma C, A comma D. Again, I have to make this as a transitive. So D comma A comma C means a DC I have to add. C comma A comma D means I have to add C. So total number of ordered pairs I added, it is equal to 13. Okay, to make it as an equivalence relation. Next one, A1, A2, A3 up to A6 is an arithmetic progression where A1 plus A3 is equal to 10 if mean of A1 plus A2 plus, okay, last term of the arithmetic progression be A and common it is equal to D, right? So here a plus 2D, a1 plus a3, it is equal to 10. So 2a plus 2D is equal to 10. So a plus d is equal to 5. And mean means a1 plus a2 up to a6 by 6, it is equal to 19 by 2. So I will add a plus d. So 6a's, d plus 2d plus 3d up to 5d. So it is equal to 15d by 6 is equal to 19 by 2. Okay, 6a plus 15d by 6. So here what we are getting, 6a plus 15d is equal to 57. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, I will multiply equation 1 with 6. 6a plus 60 is equal to 30. So 90, subtracting these two equations, so 90 equal to 27. So D is equal to 3. So D is equal to 3. Common difference is equal to 3. And I can find A also. A plus D is equal to 5. So D is equal to 3 means A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Now I want to find the value of variance. Variance means sigma square, right? So this is equal to, the formula is sigma xi square by 6 minus sigma xi. Total number of terms is 6, sigma xi by 6 whole square. This is nothing but mean. So sigma xi square means I have to square those terms which are in AP and we have to add them. So a square plus a plus d whole square. So here what are the terms we are getting? 2, common difference is 3. So 2 comma 5 comma 8 comma 11 comma 14 comma 17. So this is equal to 4, 2 square plus 5 squares, 25 plus 64 plus 121 plus 196 plus 289 by 6 minus of 19 by 2 whole square. So this is equal to, here I have to add all these terms, 25 plus 4, 29, 64, 12, 26, 89. So here the sum is equal to 699 by 6 minus 361 by 4. So I'm taking LCM here. So 699 by 6 minus 361 by 4. So we have to simplify this. This is lambda square. 699 by 6 by 4. So it is equal to 1398 minus 361 into 3. 6 3 is 18, 1083. 83 by 12. 8. So here we have to multiply this with 8 also. So 8 in 8 by 12 into 1398 minus 1083. So its value 1398 minus 1083 315. So 315. So 4 twos, 4 threes, 3 105s. So the value is 210. So 210. Next one, if an urn contains if urn 1 contains 7 red, 3 green balls, urn 2 contains 3 red and 2 green balls, urn 3 contains a lambda red and 2 green balls. So one urn is selected at random, one ball is drawn. If probability of getting the red ball is 0.6, then find the value of lambda. So first I will find the probability of getting the red ball from any one of the urn. So probability of choosing the first turn, it is 1 by 3, right? Then probability of choosing the red ball, it is 7 by 10. Next, Probability of choosing the red ball from the second term 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 3 into lambda by lambda plus 2. Total number of balls lambda plus 2 and lambda red. It is given as 0.6. So here 7 by 10, 7 by 30 and 1 by 3 by 15 plus 1 by 3 into this is given as a 0.6. So I will write like this 7 by 10, 0.7 plus 0.6 plus I'm taking 3 to this side, lambda by lambda plus 2 is equal to 0.6. 0.6 into 3, which is equal to 1.8. So lambda by lambda plus 2 is equal to 1.8 minus 0.13. So it is equal to 0.5. Lambda is equal to 0.5. So lambda is equal to 2. So I discussed all the questions.